Hi folks, Robert here with more Revit training, and I just want to say briefly, this is the type of work we do on this channel. This is a model we did, cut a custom, and we build these models in this channel. And yeah, I just want to say, approaching 2,000 subscribers. Thanks for the 2,000 subscribers, but I would really like more. Now, here we did this. And we can do a lot of other things here. So we basically built this, and if you go into our channel, you can see how you build this. But anyway, I just wanted to make a quick video of what we do on this channel, and please subscribe, like, share, super thanks, whatever you can do to support the channel. We can create videos like this every day. So yeah, this is the model that we created, and then over here we've got our plan drawings here, and we're doing all this in the viewer. There's our floor plan, the kitchen area. There's our second floor, interior elevations, sections and details, sometime coming up. Yep, and then here's our cover sheet. Yeah, we remember we had this building and it was really messed up. So if you go into my videos and have a look, you can go and pick up this whole model's vernacular house that we redesigned, and we did it in Revit. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my video, and if you give super thanks, maybe you'll get a model or something or something or something. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and join me in our channel. Bye.